Learning how to make movies teaches you so much more than how to just make movies. My wife and I are constantly finding ourselves in certain situations or up against certain challenges, whether they be big or small, and often I can find a solution through something that I learned in film school. What are these things outside of film that you learn from making films? Well, number one, filmmaking is a mixture of creative, technical, and labor-intensive skills, which gives you a well-rounded set of skills that can set you up in almost any line of work. Number two, you will learn to organize your time, organize your resources, and organize your brain. Filmmaking can potentially be quite chaotic, but I will guide you through my process and talk to you about how I can maintain a clear vision and form a clear path through that chaos. Number three, teamwork and leadership are so damn important in filmmaking. Whether you are an introvert or an extrovert, joining a filmmaking team allows you to explore your own individuality and creativity while also forming a bond with those around you. Every person on a production has their own responsibilities, and yet those responsibilities need to work cohesively with the work that everyone else is also creating. This is also why it is so important to have strong leaders, as the leaders are key to successful communication and are ultimately responsible for ensuring that everything comes together in the end. Number four, I've already touched on this a bit, but I'll say it again, communication. And learning effective communication is vital. I'll talk you through what I do that makes everyone on a project feel heard, understood, and valued. And I do this by constantly practicing ways to improve my methods of communication, improve my confidence, and using both of these to communicate to my team in a way that motivates and inspires while still remaining clear and concise so that everyone understands exactly what we're doing. Number five, one of my favorite things about filmmaking is learning psychology. In almost every area of film, you need to have a firm grasp of psychology and an understanding of how the brain works. As a screenwriter, you'll explore human behavior to create authentic and relatable characters. Directors need to understand how actors think and feel to guide them effectively. As an editor, you'll learn knowledge of attention spans and eye movement patterns to create engaging, impactful scenes. Even sound designers need to comprehend how sound influences emotions and perceptions. Developing a strong grasp of psychology is a valuable asset in both your personal and professional life. Number six, another skill that you will learn about in depth is health and safety. And of course, this is important everywhere. In many cases, on a film project, you will be designing organized chaos. By that, I mean you are purposely designing situations that will be chaotic or dangerous, or at very least appear dangerous. So whether the danger is real or not, you need to understand everything you possibly can to keep your fellow cast and crew safe. To create a great film, I try to help everyone trust each other to do the right thing. And I can do this by doing my due diligence and analyzing potential hazards and doing everything that I possibly can to ensure that everyone gets home at the end of the day. This is just a handful of the long list of things that I have learned in this industry, and a handful of what you will learn right here at the Film Industry Gateway. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, because together we can challenge the norms and redefine the landscape of filmmaking.